my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the...
Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about something that is, I think we forget a lot to ask. Guys, if you are watching the Senzo Meyiwa case and you are someone who's gonna come and ask us nonsense of where is this? We don't want the Nongoma case. You are stupid right now. You sound very dumb. Who brought the Nongoma case into the picture? Gininda and Tim. Who brought Ntanzi into the picture? Gininda and Tim. Who said Ntanzi was arrested for a Nongoma case? Gininda and Tim. So why now are we not going to talk about it? Stop being stupid. Stop being stupid. You sound stupid when you ask those questions and say those things. Now, the only thing that you should be asking is, Gininda, please bring us who is the deceased person in this Nongoma case. We ask for a death certificate. We ask for postmortem of the person that died. We ask for the doctor that dealt with the deceased person. We ask for the crime scene of the deceased person. Where did that death or murder happen? We are asking for who is Ntanzi's co-accused when it comes to this. We are asking for a case number that deals with the murder case, because this one deals with Qanselani Buthelezi. We want the one that is focusing on Ntanzi. Which one is that? And who is the person? From which family? A case that there is Buthelezi surnames, there is Ngoma surnames, there is Mkhize surname, there is Khumalo surname, there is Mncube surname, there is Ntuli surname, there is Ntanzi surname, there is Sibiya surname, there is Ntombela surname, there is zininzi. Which clan? There is Mthethwa, kuningi nje, kuningi nkosi yami. Which clan is the deceased belonging to? Because we need the clan. Which town of KZN? Oh, do wait, Nongoma. Which village KwaNongoma is the person coming from? Kwesiphi isigodi? We need that information fast. Ugininda must bring those netim yakhe noMogani. Ugininda noMogani must bring us that information. We want which Skodi, which family, because we need that family tree, guys, so that they can tell us who died and how did the person die. We need the arresting officer who was arresting the other accused person in that Nongoma case of murder. That Ntanzi is a co-accused Kuyu. We need the arresting officer also. What else do we need? We need the paperwork, all of it. We need the people that arrived to the crime scene first. Who arrived to the crime scene first? We need the first police that arrived to the crime scene. Who called the police? What was happening? Why was the person shot? We need all of that, all of those details, please, Siyazidinga, because... So guys, yeah, that's it. If you want to talk about, hey, please bring, so don't focus on what Ntanzi must bring. Gininda and Tim, please bring the details of the deceased person that Ntanzi was involved in his or her murder. Was it a he person? Was it a she person? Was it a young person? Was it an old person? What? We want those details, please, because now you can't be going around accusing someone of being involved in a murder, but there are no details about that murder. We need the full info about that murder. They need to tell us all of that. In any case, if this court was a court that was serious, that was not taking sides, because the Judge Ratam Kgwatleng takes sides of the state. If it was any other judge, he would be saying, after Ukhumalo, you know what? Get Gininda here. Tell Gininda, I want the copy of the deceased person death certificate. I want the details of that person, the case number, everything. They were going to ask for every collection of every important detail about this so-called case. But no, because it's Judge Rata, he does not do what he needs to do. In any other court, I have a feeling that it was supposed to stop. And then in light of all these details that I'm hearing now from this man that was busy with the case, I believe I need to consult. In fact, I need to consult with my superiors so that I can find out. That means Mr. Ndanzi needs to be released. He can come to court and we finalize the issue of the Senzo Meyiwa. But how he was arrested is very questionable. Now, in light of these details, he needs to be released. That is just my thought, my thinking process. If it was any other judge, but no, this one who defends the state, defends Gininda, gets angry because Gininda is exposed, and Gininda, the way Judge Rata puts Gininda on high regard, oh, the reference that he has for Gininda is unmatched, Gesan. Now he needs to face the consequences of those unmatched reference that he has for Gininda. And I don't know, man, something is offish when it comes, because Ubaloy knows when things are not looking good, he will never get up and be asking questions unless he feels like I have, just like when it came to the Shebane, he knew that I really need to do this. Otherwise, under normal circumstances, he would have never. But because he felt like, I don't need anyone messing this one up. Now, Isibindi Sabo says so they continue doing this thing after being exposed like this. That's the mystery for me. Anyway, I don't know about you, but I feel like we really need, as South Africans, to ask relevant questions. Ask, deceased family, who are you? Gininda better bring those details. The police station that the so-called case of the murder was opened, Gininda needs to give us those details. The investigating officer of that case, Gininda needs to give us, because the one that we have here, Khumalo knows nothing about, knows absolutely nothing about murder. So they need to give us the correct one. Since Judge Rata also is busy saying, it was not registered, it was not, okay, give us the unregistered case and the details of it all. We need a deceased person, we need a deceased family, we need all the relevant details that will be included normally, legally. So we are there again, we want those. We don't want anyone who's going to be making excuses for Gininda, Urata, or whoever. We need proper details. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Do you think that I'm wrong for saying they must bring us all of that information? Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Oxygen I need to survive, I'll be on.